Getting a very, very shocking piece of news that's coming in from the national capital. This is an incident that's been reported out of Delhi's Pira Gadi flyover area, where we are learning the 3 bodies have been found inside a car earlier today. Police and forensic teams are currently at the scene. They are investigating the circumstances over which this sort of an incident really has taken place. Reports suggest the fire brigade received a tip about an abandoned car, and upon arrival, they discovered 3 deceased people inside that car. Authorities have now launched a full-scale investigation. These are visuals from earlier in the day today, where the fire department reached close to this abandoned vehicle. They, in fact, found 3 dead people inside that car that lay abandoned on the Pira Gadi flyover in West Delhi area. And now a full-scale operation has been launched. We do not know about what has led to this incident, but this is what we are learning of so far. 3 people found dead inside the car, bodies of 2 men and a woman that were found inside this car that was abandoned at the Pira Gadi flyover in West Delhi. Let's take a look at reactions coming in.
हमें कॉल मिली थी कि एक गाड़ी में कुछ हो सकता है कि डेथ हो गई है कुछ लोग, तो यहाँ पे आके देखा तो टोटल 3 लोग डेड थे, वो आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया और अभी इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं। 2 मेल हैं, 1 फीमेल। ऐसा कुछ मतलब नथिंग वैसे उस टाइप का सस्पिशियस नहीं लग रहा। वी आर वर्किंग।
Let me now take this across to my colleague Simran Babbar, who's joining us. Simran, any more details that you've managed to pick? What is this about? We're talking about 3 people who lay dead inside this abandoned car in Pira Gadi.
Well, absolutely. As you have in fact shared the details of this shocking case that the police has now maintained appears to be a case of suicide, given how exactly the fire department reached at the spot, and the fire department was the first respondent to this call of the PCR, where 3 bodies have now been discovered. There were no injury marks on the body of these 3 individuals. The police have confirmed that the car in which the bodies have been found belonged to 62-year-old Randhir, and there was another person, another man, and another female identified as Lakshmi has been also found with them. The belongings of all of these people were found intact. It prima facie, as per the police statement, outer DCP statement that as Sachin Sharma has given, it appears to be a case of suicide. More investigation, of course, on this case is underway. While the Pira Gadi flyover was exactly that location on which these developments have taken place, the police is also looking out more, in fact, angles in this case, given how exactly the PCR call was given, what was the background of these individuals. As the fire department, when it reached, there was no movement around the car, and also it then launched into an inquiry and also checked who really was driving the car and who are the people who were accompanying the person Randhir, who actually is the owner. There are other 2 people as well who were found to be present in the car at the time of the incident.
Right. So far, all the details have been arrived at by the police. A full-scale investigation, Simran, like you're reporting, has been launched by the police. Which way is this headed? Because this looks like a case which will obviously raise a lot of eyeballs. The first suspicion goes on death by suicide.
Absolutely. As even the police is right now on a sensitive foot before giving out any confirmed details so far, as the prima facie, what they have confirmed to me is that they say this is a case of suicide, but at the very same time, until they really complete the background check and they check with the relatives and all the compliances of these people and why exactly this sort of incident did occur, they are not able to make a statement. So far, the car has been identified, the owner has been identified, the people were related to each other. The time of this incident that has been noted around this evening time after the person who was driving the car, but in what circumstances did really the people here and those who have been found dead in this car, they really decided to be in this state, or what was going in their mind? Is there a conspiracy or not, or is there someone else? Could this be also a planned murder? Is all the angles that the police is right now confirming. Now, also, there are three people, let us note, 62, 42, and 40-year-old individuals who have been found dead.
Right, Simran, thank you so much for all of those details. Very unfortunate incident that we are having to report for our viewers. 3 dead bodies which have been found inside a car, an abandoned vehicle on the Piragadi flyover in West Delhi area. And right now, investigation is on in the matter on what led to these deaths. We go into a very short break with that.